Hi, Jordan Hanna from MarineMax Palm Beach Gardens, and I'm standing right next to a Scout 215 XSF. This is the hottest 21-foot boat out on the market, and this one with the crystal blue hull color just looks gorgeous. So let's climb in here. You'll see this one we've got equipped with the Mercury V6 engine, which is a great upgrade. It's quiet, it's torquey, it's got a lot of power. Walking into the cockpit here, you'll see got some room here to work a fish, but then if you're cruising out to the spot or entertaining, you got a nice fold down transom seat, live well, cooler under the helm chair, and then while you're sitting here, you got cup holders, rod holders, easy access. Up at the helm, you'll see Scout does a great job always with the helm. You've got your Garmin electronics flush mounted in black acrylic. You've got digital throttle shift, tilt steering, flip up bolsters, and then let's check it out up in the bow. On the way, you want to check out, they did a great job with the windshield here, fully integrated into the T-top. Gives it a clean look, but also a lot of protection from the wind and the elements when you're running. But this is where it's at. For a 21-foot boat to have this much seating, you can have 4 people laying out, feet up, while underway, just enjoying this boat. We really loaded this one up. So you've got a table that mounts right here that's easily stored in what we like to call the garage. And it's a beautiful teak table, dedicated storage. There's the base there. This is definitely going to be a boat you're going to want to see in person. This is just a real quick walkthrough of it. My name is Jordan Hanna, MarineMax Palm Beach Gardens, 561-427-9217. Thanks a lot. Look forward to hearing from you.